Did you know a watch can say a lot about you? Luxury watches symbolize success, style, and sophistication. Today, let's explore these exceptional timepieces, their displays, styles, prices, and what makes them unique. Luxury watches are crafted with precision and artistry. They come with elegant designs and functional features. Not only do they keep time, but they also make a statement. Think of a watch as a personal style accessory. When choosing a luxury watch, several factors come into play. First, consider the brand. Brands like Rolex, Patek Philippe, and Audemars Piguet are well known for their craftsmanship. Each brand has its signature style. Next, let's talk about the display. Luxury watches typically have a top-tier glass with scratch resistance. They often showcase intricate dials and complications. From chronographs to moon phases, there's beauty in each detail. Take a moment to consider the materials used. Luxury watches often feature stainless steel, gold, or platinum. Leather or metal bands add a classic touch. These materials ensure durability and elegance. Price is a significant point too. Luxury watches can range from a few thousand to several $100,000. Investing in a high-end timepiece is often seen as a status symbol. Over time, some may even appreciate in value. Let's consider an example. A Rolex Submariner is not just a watch, it's a statement. Known for its iconic design and diving capabilities, it's priced around $8,000. It's perfect for both casual and formal occasions. In summary, luxury brand watches bring together craftsmanship, style, and investment potential. They serve as both functional accessories and fashion statements. Whether for yourself or as a gift, they hold timeless value. If you're ready to explore more about luxury watches, check out our links below. Join our community and find your perfect timepiece. Please subscribe my channel.